What's the meaning of cheekily? Cheekily. Cheekily.
Cheekily. Cheekily. Cheekily is an adverb that describes behavior that is impudent, saucy, or disrespectful in a playful or amusing way. It can be seen as a light-hearted or witty form of insolence. A person who behaves cheekily may show a lack of respect for authority or rules, but they do so in a way that is not meant to be taken too seriously. They may push the boundaries of what is acceptable behavior, but without malicious intent. Overall, cheekily suggests a certain level of charm and cleverness in the person who uses it.